guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going on a 2-day trip. Pack my bag. So we'll start with the toiletry bag. Don't mind the audio because I don't know what happened with my phone. So yeah. Now for the main one. First at the bottom I'm going to be putting my... It finally stopped. So, go in. Oh, what? Ah! Now time for the peanut. Okay, hold it. And it goes. I'm sorry, I said peanuts. Jeans, what's so different? Jeans are just pants. So now I'm putting other jeans in. Okay, so let's put it. Because like, really goes away, do this work. And same with this. Now this is going to cost $2 So one extra shirt, extra stuff, jacket, and this pocket, and swimming stuff. Oh, shoot.